Hi, I'm John with Soldies, one of Hampton Roads' largest and most trusted renovators, buying hundreds of homes each year. When you reach out to Soldies, we will take the time to have a conversation with you to ensure that we're all on the same page. Our process is very simple and straightforward. When you contact us about a property, if we have an interest, we will meet you at the property for a simple and easy inspection of the home. After taking a look, we will go back, crunch some numbers, and get back to you with an all-cash offer within hours of inspection. Once the offer is accepted, we will close within 7 days, and then we complete the renovation of the property, taking as little as 3 weeks. After renovations are complete, we return the listing to the agent that brought us the property to sell again. On top of that, Soldies markets to buyers during the renovation and gives those leads back to you, the agent, at no extra cost. So working with Soldies, you can expect to see up to 3 commissions when working on the same property. 1. Receive the selling commission of the initial sale to Soldies. 2. Get another commission after listing the property after the Soldies renovation. And 3. Potentially get paid another commission on the buyer side. Why just throw it on the MLS when you can increase your commission by 400% when you partner with Soldies? Soldies will give you their client the cash, flexibility, and easy sales that they need while delivering to you, the listing agent, a perfect property the buyers will be fighting over. With just one phone call, Soldies turns around offers with no fuss, no hassles, and no delay, putting you and your client in control. So what does Soldies do for you? Market your listing during renovations, provide you all inbound buyer leads, gives you a professional turnkey listing with professional photos that will sell at a higher price point. So why wait? Give Soldies a call today and let's get started.